I'd like to give you some quick tips on placing furniture. I'm going to actually delete these dimensions because they're kind of getting in the way for now. If we go to component and you go to load family, it's going to show you this. I'm going to go to furniture and then tables. And one of the default ones is dining table round with chairs. So I'm going to open that one and I want to just remind you of some things that you may have forgotten if you or maybe didn't even know that there are some defaults. There's a 36-inch diameter. That is a four chair option. There's a 60-inch diameter. That's 5 feet. That is a little bit larger. So these are a couple fun defaults. Just make sure when you place these that there's enough space between the backs of these chairs. If you want to rotate them, you can go up to rotate and we can, as long as our object is selected, it will show that as an option to rotate. I can click anywhere and then begin to rotate, but I like 45 degrees. So I'm just going to type 45 and hit enter. And that makes it a 45-degree angle. Then you can take this and you can copy and paste them, Control C and Control V. And I can paste these in and you can paste in a bunch of them. Now, another thing you might want to do is place a rectangular table. So let me go back to component and load family, and we're in table. So with rectangular table, I'm going to have to add chairs. Well, that just says rectangular table. It didn't say dining, but that's okay. I'm going to place this here and I'm going to go again to load family and go back to furniture and go to seating. And the brewer chair is the one that is used in all these tables. So I'm going to use that one. And it says it's already in this family. Well, I don't want to overwrite anything. I'm going to click cancel. Well, anytime you see that, that means that it is actually already preloaded. So I can go up here and I can search chair. And you can see it says chair brewer. And there's like a desk chair and all those kind of things. But I'm going to select this one. And now if I take this, you can see the back is on the bottom. I can place it there. I can place another one like here. It didn't like that because there's a dot there. So you just got to be careful that it kind of fits where you want it to. If I hit the space bar one, two times, it rotates the chair. It can be a nice little time saver. And then I want to take this chair and I'm going to move it over a little bit because I want to make this a group so I don't have to do this every time. So pay careful attention. I'm going to click and drag. As long as I don't have anything else selected, it will just give me these items. You can also do it by control clicking each item. And I want to create a group out of this. So go up to the top and go to create group. I never name these because I don't care what they're named. And now I have a group. So now I can take it like these and I can click this once and copy and paste it. There we have another one. And you can do things like rotate it. I'm going to rotate that one 90 degrees. I've turned it sideways. Sometimes ghost lines will appear. You may have noticed that. You can ignore those. So that's how you can copy and paste and put in all sorts of different kinds of chairs. There are other really neat things as far as seating goes. You can put things like for your lobby, if you have a lobby, some comfy chairs, some office chairs. There's different types of desks and sofas and things like that that you can use. So go ahead and furnish that. In future videos, I'll show you how to add a few other things.